Welcome back. Now that we have a longer document, we can go to our editing tools. We're going to go to the next icon up. And what we're going to now do is determine the reading level that we want for our document. So we can click on top of this element. Now we have a current reading level. And in order to know what that reading level is, you may want to move up slightly, and you'll notice that the reading level that we are aiming for currently is right below high school. If we bring it back down, we'll be at current. We can lower the reading level to middle school. We can raise it as high as college. We can raise it as high as graduate school. So that's what we're going to do at this moment. We're going to raise this to the level of graduate school. Once we do that, we're then going to click enter. And ChatGPT will begin to work with the document. And ChatGPT works with our document in real time. Now that we have our new reading level, what we're going to do is we're going to suggest edits again, understanding that this control may not work again, even with the new addition. We are then going to click on Suggest Edits, and we're going to let the edit function go. And again, the Suggest Edit functions on the right side menu does not work after we click on increasing or decreasing the reading level of our document. So again, once you've used Suggest Edit once, that may be the last time that you can use it inside of this conversation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.